5.1 ounces. About to show you how to cold smoke cheeses and meats on any grill. You could probably use just about anything you could think of. All you do is you get this tube. It's about $12. You get some Traeger wood pellets. Those are Hickory pellets. And you light them up with a torch. This is the easiest way to do it. Just light the end here. Get it good and lit. This is probably the coolest invention I've seen in a long time. You don't need a fancy smoker. It costs $200, $300 bucks. I got one over in the shed and I'll never use it again. Matter of fact, I'm about to sell it. Once that's lit like that, you let that go about, I don't know, about 7-8 minutes. Some people do it longer. I seen a guy do this on YouTube. He lets it burn for about 10 minutes and he blows it out. The wind blew that out. I'm gonna go ahead and light it some more. Make sure it's good and lit. Now you take cheap ass cheese from Kroger's and you smoke it for 5 hours and it turns into gourmet cheese. Then you smoke them burgers. After I'm done smoking them, I'm gonna turn this grill on, light it up, cook them, them would be the best burgers you ever eat. I'm gonna go ahead and blow it out. Try it like that. Lay it down like that. Close her down. I'll be back in 5 hours. All right, it's been about 6 hours. I got a little busy. Oh, look at that. It's already changing color. It's about burned out all the way. Look at them burgers. Look at that cheese. Oh, that cheese in the front got a little warm from this. It's a little hot. Not hot, but you know, shouldn't put one that close to that, I guess, because it will heat that up. I guess I shouldn't have, but these are perfect. You can tell I should have put holes. Should have put holes in this aluminum, but they're smoked. I guarantee they got a smoky flavor. They've been on there for 6 hours. I might flip them and do it again. I know tomorrow I'm gonna do some pork chops. Think about trying to smoke some peanut butter and some pineapple. I bet that'd be good. Not together, but you know what I mean. My buddy on Facebook put something on there about one of these, and I seen it and I was like, damn. That's a lot simpler than breaking out the smoker and plugging it up and shit. So there we go. I'm selling my smoker. That's why I'm gonna smoke from now on, right there in that tube. This is what the finished burgers look like. You can tell they're good and smoked. I just wish they wouldn't. They got a little bit overcooked because my grill caught on fire and I didn't catch it quick enough. But they're still good. I'm gonna put some of that smoked cheese on top of them too, on top of that American.